Which statements are true about all the noble gases? Statement 1. The number of protons in their atoms equal the number of neutrons. If we take a look at the example of argon, so argon is 1418Ar, which means that it has 18 protons and 22 neutrons. This means that the statement is falsified, so it cannot be correct. Statement 2 says the number of protons in their atoms does not equal the number of electrons. This statement is incorrect as well, because in all the noble gases the number of protons equal the number of electrons. Statement 3 states that they all have 8 electrons in their outer shell. If we consider helium, we see that helium has only 2 electrons in its valence shell. Hence, statement 3 is also incorrect. Statement 4 says they do not react to form ionic compounds. This is true because all noble gases have complete valence shells, so they cannot react with another element. So, taking a look at the options, we see that since only statement number 4 is correct, option D is the correct answer. Question number 24. How many electrons and protons are in an ion of an element in group 2 of the periodic table? So first of all, we need to know that in a neutral atom, the number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Since the ion is from an element in group 2, this means that it will lose 2 electrons. So the ion should have 2 less electrons than the proton number. If we take a look at the options we have, we see that option A states 6 electrons and 4 protons. This is incorrect because there are more electrons than protons. Option B states 10 electrons and 12 protons. This is correct because it fulfills the condition we have that it should have 2 less electrons than a total number of protons. So the correct answer is B. If we take a look at option C and option D, both have more number of electrons than the number of protons, thus they do not fulfill the condition.